hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. So right now, I am here to review the Anker 622 magnetic battery, the one that's the MagSafe for the iPhone. So what we got here is the new magnetic battery. This is one of the original ones. I bought this about roughly, you could say, a year ago. So this one is pretty bulky. MagSafe battery goes on the back of the iPhone. And this is the updated version. Okay, what really disappointed me is it's still the same amount of space, 5,000. So it is what it is. So, hey Koopa. So, this one, if I'm being completely honest, man, the only reason I bought this compared to the Apple one is because the Apple one was very slow. I'm pretty sure it was only 5 watt. Not only that, it takes forever to charge your battery, and not only that, it won't charge your battery to 100%. This one, on the other hand, is a lot faster. I'm pretty sure it's around 8 watts, maybe even more, and this one will actually charge your phone to 100%. I've done it plenty of times. It works, but the only drawback is a lot of heat. That's the thing with this. So Cooper, you're in my way. So this is the battery. We're gonna wrestle with the cat. Let me open this and get the new one out. Oh yeah, and not only is this the new one, but this is the one with a kickstand also. This one, just the battery, and then this one is a kickstand also. So let's open it now, shall we? So you get the paperwork that nobody ever reads, right? You get a charger, USB-C to USB-C, so that's good. That'll come in handy. And then the man of the hour. So let's open this now, shall we? Koopa, you're not giving me any space here, buddy. So this is the new one. Let's compare the width to this one. So they are about the same. The old one is a bit thicker, but you know what? Overall, it's around the same size. So really, all it really is just a kickstand too. Now, how do you use this kickstand? I think you just go like that, or maybe like that. So I'm using my iPhone for the upshot now, or else I would attach it to my iPhone. But yeah, so weight-wise, it's a bit lighter. It feels at least a bit lighter. This is definitely heavier, the older one. But the kickstand is a plus. That's actually like a mega plus, because I know that'll come in handy. But let's hope this charges faster, and let's hope it doesn't heat up as much as the other one. So this is it. Get a good look at it, guys. This is it with the kickstand. Well, if it wants to stay down. So I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right, like that. You lean on like that. So I don't know, man. Was it worth the upgrade? You know what, too? And it's bigger. I just noticed that, too. So if you notice, look at the length, guys. This one's actually shorter than this one. So, yeah. Koopa, please, don't do this right now. So let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to honestly do this, but my cat gets in the way for everything. Just comes here and starts purring. He's a purring machine. Aren't you a purring machine? You a little purring machine. You like pulling the tablecloth all the time. I have to yell at you. Anyways, guys. So these are the batteries, man, the magnetic batteries. This one comes with a kickstand. I hope I'm using this right. I think it's like this. I think it's like that. But yeah. So this is it. So I'm gonna charge this. I'm gonna try using it for a couple days, and then I'll update you guys and let you know how it works out. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. Thank you all for making it possible for me to hit 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all you guys. Listen, man, put in the comments down below what you guys want to see me. Put down in the comments below what you guys want to see me review, and I'll try and get it. I'm going to be doing a couple more case reviews. Also, I'm going to do like a 1-year review on the iPad Air, the 2020 version. And that's about it, man. Go check out my other video, how to use an external hard drive with an iPhone, any iPhone from iPhone 7 to iPhone to the current iPhone. And that's it. Thank you guys all for watching. Let me know what you think of the battery. So, quick thoughts on it, man, just before we finish. It's lighter than the original one, still heavy, pretty bulky. But you know what? It gets the job done. It does get really, really hot, but I haven't used this one yet, the new one. So we'll see if they manage the heat better on it. So other than that, man, that's about it. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.